So this time they sent us this product for showcasing, and is a USB dynamic water pattern light Ripple's Ocean Wave Projector, whatever you want to name it. And this is for desk, office, at home, at night. And it comes as it is. It's just this product comes with this remote control, instructions, and a USB cable. So this is USB powered, does not include any batteries. So we're going to connect it. It is plugged. We press and hold this button and we have power. I can see some ripples. You can change with your hand. Touch. Let me turn off the lights. Oh, that is good. So if you don't have the remote in hand, you can even change it manually. We tried the remote now. Good. I'm gonna go through all the colors so you can see. That is awesome. I think with this you can relax and go to sleep. Very nice. White. Now this mode is pattern flash, so it changed the colors automatically. That is good. Now let's go with strobe, which is pretty much close the same as a flash. Next setting is fade. There is the fading option. There is fade the color. All right, and what is this? Smooth, which I think is the same as fade. Let me see, right here. Okay, there is the brightness. Dim. Okay. See the reaction? I crank it up all the way up, and it went to different. The ripples moved faster. I'm gonna crank it down. See how it changed it. Okay, very slow. That is good. Yeah, nice product. So if as always interested, check the link in the description. Very nice product. Actually, I will say it's really good for nightlight. Does not make any sounds. Very good. Check the link below.